Hey guys, welcome to my channel? Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We don't need this. Dun, 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 dun. So today I'm going to teach you very easy basic dancing steps on the count to 1 to 6. These steps are super easy, simple and amazing. And it's so easy, and also you can put it on any song. It will suit it on every song. So it's going to be very beautiful, you must have known. And remember ABCD. That means anybody can dance. Subscribe, like and share. And I want you to click the bell button as well, so you'll get the notifications when this video comes and that video comes. And I hope you liked all my crafts and all my other stuff. Subscribe, like and share. So let's start. So our home square will be the number 4. So let's start with the number 4. First, let's learn the leg movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it with our hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let us do it a little fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's so easy, right? We did it in a few seconds. It's not even a minute right now. It's so fun. Let's do it one more time all together without stopping. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. It's so much fun and it took barely some 2 minutes or 3. Now let us do it on music. Enjoy with this fun dance that you can do without music or with music. Do try this out, guys. Bye. Ring the bell notifications as well.